What's up guys, this is Alex from Stack Trading, and this video is to go over into more detail some calls that we made in the live trading room. So there are two swing calls that I want to cover, and there are two day trade calls that I want to go over as well. The first, let's go over the swing trades. So the tech stocks in the last couple days, as everybody knows, have been beaten up. Apple and Microsoft especially. I wanted to start building a position, especially looking for that rebound into the daily AAPL. So I made the call to start buying Apple at the 110 area. I started a position, and I know some traders followed me there. I added again at the 107 area, and I actually added again yesterday at the low of, not the low, but in pre-market at around 104. I built a really nice position with Apple, swung it, and when Apple was at 112 bucks, guess what I did? I sold it for solid profits. And I did announce it to the live trade room that I took my profits. I'm not sure if any of the traders took the profits, but I do think we can see Apple recover to the 116 and even 118 area. So I wouldn't even be opposed to holding it a little bit longer, but if you guys know me, I like to take my profits when I see them. So Apple was that swing trade for me, and it was a very nice and easy trade. The second swing trade I want to highlight is Microsoft. So same idea. It's been beaten up. I wanted to start building a position. So I actually started building a position at $197 range. Immediately, once I start my starter position for the swing, it rallied. So I actually took profits at the 205 area. So that was almost a 10-point trade for me on my swing trade with Microsoft. I wish it pulled back a little bit more so I could have added into the position, but I'm very happy with that solid trade right there. So I know some traders took it with me as well because they let us know in the trading room and in our server that they took the trade. So congrats to everyone who made profits on the Microsoft trade. Now, let's go over SFIX. Today's trade with SFIX, it was a day trade, and they report earnings this afternoon. And our call was to go long the stock, but we wanted to play the option side of the stock. So at the open, our call was to buy $30 strike price with 2 weeks expiration out. And the idea was that investors were going to buy into the stock as the stock was, or the company was going to report earnings this afternoon. It played out perfectly. It ended up generating 27% return for us on an intraday basis. So we ended up taking the long with the call options somewhere around here, and we took our profits towards the end of the day. That move, not sure, that's probably a 4% move. That was a 27% move in call options. So very nice trade. It was a good call, and I made some great profits with this trade. The last stock I want to cover is BBBY. This actually wasn't even on our watch list today, but one of the traders in our trading room brought it to our attention at around this area. There was some news with some unusual call options being bought up for BBBY, and they do report earnings in 9 or 10 days. So we wanted to take the trade. It was riding up the 8MA very nicely. Nice bull flag breakout here. So we did want to wait for the bull flag for another setup. We wanted to wait for another consolidation area, another bull flag breakout. So we did end up calling this bull flag right here, taking it long with stops right below that bull flag, and that 8MA was that bounce off the 8MA, and the push off the 8MA was just more confirmation of the rally to continue. I also did pull up level 2 on BBBY and saw that there was really no sellers until the 1380 range, and guess what? Ended up selling off a bit right here at the high of 1379. So pretty solid trade. I ended up taking this with a few thousand shares and made some great profit on the BBBY trade. I know one of our traders is actually swinging it. So he's swinging it from the area where he actually brought it to our attention. And so he should be sitting in nice profits here. When it was in this consolidation area, I actually said that BBBY would and potentially could rally to the $14 range, and here's why. If we pull up a 1-year chart on BBBY, this is a little bit slow here, you can see that it had a gap to fill. It had a gap to fill right here, and that's at about $14. And it has a Fibonacci retracement actually at 1441. So I saw that huge breakout area from this consolidation right here that it's been trading at. So we had that nice breakout, really no resistance until about 1441, and that's exactly how it played out today. So BBBY was an excellent call, excellent trade, and thank you to the trader who brought it to our attention in the live trading room. So these were the trades that I wanted to cover today, and hopefully this gives a little bit more insight into the thinking and what we used to determine the trades and why we took the trades. So follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, hit us up, DM us. If you're interested in trading in our live trading room, we're offering a 1-week free pass, so you can just check us out. And if you love us, you can subscribe on a weekly, monthly, or even annual or semi-annual basis. Take care, guys.